Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to strip electrical wire. Now for this specific video I will be using Romex electrical wire, but the process is very similar for whatever type of electrical wire you are using. So let's get right to it. As you can see right here, I have the Romex electrical wire and I have my wire strippers. So the first step is to actually remove the outermost insulation on the wire. And in the case of this Romex, it is this white stuff right here. So we're going to remove the outermost insulation. Now on your wire strippers, you may have a specific template for the outermost insulation, but for these ones I don't. These are very basic wire strippers. So I'm just going to use the little knife there that says cutter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cutter piece around and I'm just going to go, I would say about 4 inches down, something like that, 4 to 5 inches down from the end of the wire. And I'm going to use the cutter and I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure and work my way around the wire so that I cut the entire way around the wire. So once again, I'm just making sure that I don't apply too much pressure because you don't want to snip the wires inside or destroy the insulation on the wires inside. So once I have cut off cut my way around all of the outermost insulation, which I have done right now, I'm just going to apply some pressure and I'm going to strip off the outermost insulation just like that. Okay, as you can see, this is what we just stripped off. It's empty inside, and inside of the outermost insulation you will find more wires. Now in this case there are 3 wires. You can see that there's a black wire, which is a hot wire or a power wire. There's an uninsulated wire, and then there is a white wire, which is the neutral. So this middle wire right here is already uninsulated, so I'm just going to push that one back because we do not have to strip that, but we do have to strip the black and the white wires. So for these I'm just going to go about 1 inch to 1.5 inches down, and I'm going to use the appropriate slot on my wire strippers. I'm going to go, like I said, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches down. I'm going to apply pressure, so I'm squeezing the wire strippers together. I'm going to turn them just like this to ensure that I fully cut through the insulation. Then I'm going to use my finger to sort of push them off. And as you can see, just like that, we have stripped off the black wire, or the top portion of the insulation on the black wire. Now we're going to do the same thing with the white. Just going to put it in the template about 1 inch to 1.5 inches down, apply some pressure, twist, and I like to twist a few times just to make sure that I have fully cut through the insulation, and then push it off. And it's literally that simple. As you can see, we have stripped this electrical wire. First we removed the outermost portion of the insulation, which was this white piece right here, and then we removed about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of insulation on the black and white wires. And just like I said before, this one here in the middle is already uninsulated, so we don't have to strip it at all. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.